Okay, this is a follow-up video for the LC404 cartridge. I have the MFC J1205W, and recently I did a video that was just called Brother LC404 cartridge. I didn't even put anything on it, but this is just documenting my experience of just refilling it. So lately, it got to a point where it did not print, which was kind of like, I was waiting for that to happen in some ways. So here's what happened. Even though my cartridges, and you can see my cartridges here, this is the red, this is full. I refilled it and it was going well. And then and by the way, like those I guess the rating here or the kind of levels were pretty low already, but now it says it's about 1%, right? 1% cyan, magenta, yellow, and black is 31. But recently that went down to 0, even though it was full. And here is the, actually, here is the refilled one that went to 0. Okay. And I was told maybe this is going to happen. You have to reset the chip, but of course no one can find the reset chip device. So I kind of gave up a little bit, and I did buy a replacement from, I guess this is like from Ink Technologies. They don't do resetters, they just do replacement cartridges. And you can see it's a little different, right? It does have a chip on it. So I put this in, and boom, it went to 100%, as it should. And I printed out a page, and yeah, it printed out fine. Great. And then I thought, well, gosh, you know, you can't reset the chip. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna put in the old cartridge, which still has some ink in it. So I did. Turned off the printer itself, and let it reset. And when I let it reset, it basically came up to not 100%, but probably in its actual percentage there, I don't know what that is, 35%, something like that, 25% maybe. Anyways, let's see. I don't seem to be getting any errors for this, and I did print out a page. This is the second page. Pretty much kind of like the other page that I printed with the regular one. I don't see much of a difference, honestly. So that may be the trick. So what I'm gonna do is take this brand new replacement one, put it in a bag, Ziploc, airtight Ziploc. And if this thing kind of goes down again, I'm gonna pop that in and see if I can reset it. I may do the same with the yellows, with the cyan and the magenta. So we'll check that out. All right, good luck. Okay, so I did put in the yellow and the red along with the blue. I basically, again, put in the new replacement yellow, blue, and red in there, and it went to 100%. I pulled them out, put the old ones in, and it reverted back to the kind of like this 35-40% levels, which is probably not too bad. It's probably not very accurate, but okay, that's better than saying it's 1%. So try it. It seems to work. It's a workaround around the chip resetting thing, because this doesn't seem to be a chip resetter for the LC404. But maybe this works. I'll give you an update to see if there's any problems after this. Okay, we'll see ya. One quick note: I know that the Ink Technologies cartridges had me pull out with this tab that thing, and I think I heard like a suction, so it's probably you know, that's meant so that the ink does not flow out. I put tape on it. I'm not sure if that's non-porous enough for it to keep the ink in, but I'm gonna put that there anyway, and then put it in a Ziploc. And when I need to, when these levels get to 1% again, I'm gonna put one of these guys in and reset it, and reset the machine so that it sees 100%, and then put in my refillable cartridges in there. Okay.